Are you able to hear me
Okay.
at all?
All right. Now,
That's when I got off from work.
I don't know how to mute people.
Okay. I was just asking if the meeting is going to be recorded.
Yes.
Is this going to be recorded? Okay. My son is hysterical, and he's not going to allow me to continue. I'm so sorry. Can I watch the recap?
Absolutely. It'll start where I just started recording.
Okay.
But
I understood everything prior. I don't know what's going to happen after, but I don't know if he's hysterical. My daughter can't keep him calm back there, so I have to go grab him really quick and soothe him. So I don't want to bring him in because then, it'll interrupt the meeting. So I'm going to go ahead and just leave the meeting, but I wanted to give you an explanation as to why.
okay. Well, stay tuned in because if you're getting calm, then come back and join us wherever you are.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. I can do that. So if can I just hit mute the microphone and then it won't tune in on me if he cries?
Correct.
Okay.
In fact, I can mute you.
Okay, can you?
Yeah. I can mute you, and then I guess you'll just have to wave at me or something to get back for me to unmute you.
Okay. Could you hear me just now when I unmuted myself?
Yes.
Okay, so I'm just going to hit mute again, and then I'll unmute when he's done.
Okay, that sounds good.
Okay.
Love you too.
All right. Who has a question right now?
Get that cup. Get that cup down there. Get that cup.
All right. Who's Wesley? Who do I have with us?
It's Marilyn. That's my son's name.
Oh, okay. All right.
I don't know how to change it.
That's okay. Do you have questions that we need to address?
No.
Okay.
Not today.
All right. Well, I have some for y'all. So if y'all will grab a sheet of paper, we're going to do some practice questions. Okay. The first question is, find the distance between these 2 points. Alright, so you're finding the distance between these 2 points.
I'm in class.
I don't know why. I guess I might have bad reception. I can't hear anything. I'm just gotta get back here. Come here, Stacy.
Who can't hear anything?
I can hear, but I'm trying to get back so I can try to see the board and everything on. Stacy, get the teacher back on for me. I don't know I see all the class, but I don't see your picture. I don't know what I did.
I don't either.
I can't get back.
It should be something to the bottom to show you to tap in.
Not in here.
No, it just got everybody's name. Got Mandy, Letitia, and got let's see.
Will you get my headphones? I can hear
I
better.
don't know what I did. A phone dropped and I tried to.
Well, maybe if you leave the meeting and then go back and hit your email to join it again, maybe that'll work.
Let me see.
Okay, I hope I didn't miss anything substantial.
We're doing some practice problems, and we're trying to find the distance between these 2 points.
Okay, cool. Okay.
I can hear you, so I just have to listen.
Okay, the points are 6, -4, and negative 7, 3. And we're finding the distance between those 2 points.
Is this from chapter 2, lesson 7 still, or?
This is 2.1, I think.
Oh, okay, 2-1.
I thought you said she had to get some more help. Okay, Paul, let me see.
Alright. Those of you that are doing this, have y'all gotten an answer?
TJ.
I'm waiting for you because I was a little stuck on these problems.
Alright. This is what I got, the square root of 218.
That's what I got.
Is that what you got?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I come up with. Oh man, that was it. Wow, such a new. I got the 169 plus 9. You know what I did?
Plus 49?
No, I got the 9, but I got my X's and Y's mixed up. That's my formula right.
Well, you ain't taking no phone to you.
Okay, so it's x minus x squared plus y minus y squared, and y minus negative 4 made that become a plus.
Yeah, I know. I went 3 minus 6 instead of.
Okay. Alright.
You could have come in this one.
Alright. Let's do another problem. Let's find the midpoint. We can just use that same 2 ordered pairs. 6, negative 4, negative 7, 3. Find the midpoint of that. Okay, did y'all get negative 1/2, negative 1/2?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So for the midpoint, you just add the x's, divide by 2, and add the y's and divide by 2. Alright, let's do this problem. I give you these points. And we're going to determine if these 3 points form a right triangle. So what you need to do is to find the length of the line AB, find the length of the line BC, and find the length of the line AC. All of that's using the distance formula. So try that. Get those 3 values, and then I'll come back and see how we did with that.
Sausage in the refrigerator. Oh, no good summers.
Calling baddie bit woman's head with medium skin tone.
Girl, window closed. Go get your pull up. Go get you a pull up.
That's weird for it too.
I don't see a Ruby Summer in your contacts. Who would you like to call? Sorry, I missed what you said.
Yo, radio. Did I tell you to shut up, TJ? Get off my chair right now. Oh, good, funny.
Great. Just so
All right, whenever this meeting ends, which will be in 10 minutes, you have another email from me to do a second part, so you'll just have to go to that one for us to continue. All right, I got for AB 4 because I had the square root of 16. For BC, I got square root of 18, and for this one, I got square root of 10. Did anybody get those numbers?
I did.
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I want to show you is how you put it in the computer. The first question says, first you have to decide if there's a hypotenuse, which one's the hypotenuse? Well, that's this one because it's the longest. So the first thing it says is, what is the sum of the squares of the sides? So you put 4 squared plus square root of 10 squared, and that you would enter into that box 26. And then the next question is, what is the square of the hypotenuse? And so you would enter into that box 18. And then you would say, because these two numbers are not the same, this one is not a right triangle. If it was a right triangle, then when you did these two numbers, they would be the same. But several of you were confused about how to put in the two different values. When it says, what is the sum of the squares of the sides, you take the two shorter sides, square them, add them together, and that's what goes in that box. Okay? Alright, let's try another problem. Let's do Here's a slope, and here's a point. Find the equation of the line. Slope is 2/7. The point is -1 and 6. And find the equation of that line. Okay, this is what I got for that one. I'm using the point slope form, and I put in the point. The y coordinate was 6, the x coordinate was -1, so minus and -1 became a plus. Then I distributed the 2/7, then I added 6, and I ended up with this for my equation in slope-intercept form, which is one of the ways that you can put it in. All right, does anybody need to ask a question about that process?
I can't see anything. So, Miss Wendell, will you like give some example like you did the other problems, and I could go copy and down and go from there?
All right, the slope was 2/7, and the point was -1/6, and we were going to find the equation of the line. And the answer we got was y equals 2/7x, 2/7 x, plus 44/7. Okay, for the next problem, let's take these 2 points and find the equation of the line that goes through those. The 2 points are 8, -2, and 6, 5. 8, -2, and 6, 5. And we're finding the equation of the line that goes through those 2 points. I have a feeling that our video is going to run out before we finish this problem, but we'll keep trying and see what happens. Okay. Let's see. Have y'all finished that? Or y'all just waiting on me to do it?
The slope is negative 7/2, right?
That's what I got.
Yes. It is. And I switched it when I did that. Dang. Thank you. I wrote it down one way and then changed it. Let me do that again real quick. So, alright, let's see now. So I did the slope, and I did y minus y over x minus x.
And before you keep going, maybe we should go ahead and start the other one because you've got like 20 seconds.
Okay.
I think it's going to cut you off in the middle.
Okay. Alright, so
I'm
let's...
going to miss it.
Alright, so I'm going to end this one. And, oh, there it tells me how much time we have left. Okay. Alright, stop share. No, I don't want to upgrade. Then go to the next one. Start. Join. Share screen. All right, is anybody with me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Okay.
Screen ain't doing right now.
Well, I'm not seeing y'all like I used to see y'all.
Well, you got,
I see
Sister
Travis.
coming up.
I can see Travis, but I can't see anybody else.
Yeah, and you're full screen to me.
Okay.
Yeah, you're full screen now.
You need?
Paper.
I just realized how dark it is in here when I looked at myself on the screen.
All right, let me try something here.